How's it going, Joe? Just wanted to check in with you since you're getting back to it. You said you were starting again today, so if you got that morning cardio in, great. If not, it's okay since you're easing back into it. Got your first day of lifting again tomorrow, so now you got an extra set on all these lifts. Make sure you check back over here and look at those weights you did so you can redo. You put RPE 0 here. I'm not sure what that means. I'm guessing it means it was so light it didn't even go up to 7. So add some weight then, which is fine that first week, so I want you to just get those movements down. So just make sure with these lifts you write your RP next to it so that you know and I know how hard it was for you, so I can set your weights for you the next week. I set some weights for you over here on some of these lifts. That's really all the info I had how I could do for you, and I won't set it for everything like lat pull down. You can figure that out yourself just by looking at over here, or I couldn't even set that one, but we'll see how it goes every week. If you have any videos, make sure you send them in here so I can look them over. Especially for these squats, I want to see squats and deadlifts mostly. I need to see. So if you got any videos, send them in here. But yeah, make sure you're always looking up here, looking at what you got in your plan. I'd suggest throwing that stuff in a calendar. Put the times you're going to lift, put the time you're going to do cardio, just so you know when you wake up in the morning everything you got to do. Yeah, that's all I got honestly for you. Send those videos through, and then hopefully you'll come in here and look over. I set up the PayPal now, so click that link and it'll automatically reoccur everything. Got my business bank account set up. So whenever you see this, please fill out that information for that link. And hope you have a great week, brother. Let's catch up soon and hop on that call we were talking about.